Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to use the flyover feature on a particular map on the Fatmap application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. Now let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. After that you should tap on this map button down below in the left side of the screen. Then scroll down and search for a map that you would like to check out. Tap on it. Here you can see it, and then you should wait a few seconds, and here you will be able to find the flyover feature in a few seconds. Tap on flyover on the left side, and here you will be able to see the flyover function, so you can see the route of the map. That's pretty much it for this video. See you in the next one. Bye bye.